Probably a terrible angle, and I also forgot the wide angle. But right now I'm on my way to pick up some wheels, and it's kind of funny because it's reminiscent of the very first time that I got a set of style 5s for the white E36, and I'm doing like the typical, like how I did the typical E36 starter pack style 5s, E36 with whatever M3 something. It's that type of thing. The M3 is getting it's not even a surprise. It's forgestar F14s. They're a great, aggressive, sick-looking wheel, and it's just like it's made for the M3. Like, so many M3 guys run them. They look really, really good. So, and I found them for next to nothing. Like, I was actually about to piece a set together, so buy 2 rears and 2 fronts, and I found a set of all 4 that just need to get recolored for the price that I was going to pay for just the rears that I was about to buy this weekend. But I went on Facebook earlier when I was on my way to run an errand, and it just so happened that I saw them, and I hit the guy up, and I'm like, all right, cool. Made a deal, and now I'm on my way to meet him halfway. Thank you very much, because driving that almost 2.5 hours I just don't want to do that right now. So it's where we are going. Oh damn, that's a nice Bentley Continental GT. Blood clot, man, a bag of blood clot, money boy, yeah man. Crosses. But yeah, that's what we're about to do. So I guess I'll most likely just be getting back to you guys when we get to the wheels. As usual, it's nighttime, so it's not like I'm able to really show you much of anything, but you guys will see it. And it's actually, back to what I was thinking about the E36, it's literally the same place that I'm meeting the person to get my that I got my style 5s, because like the person was coming from Connecticut and I'm coming from Boston. We met halfway. This time it's going to be up the street from the last place, but it's literally the same thing, so it's really funny. White E36, white E92. And then I also have another video coming that is also good that I got these wheels, because now I'm able to actually do the video more accurately. So cool. I'll get to you guys in the next clip. Yeah, people always say coupes are selfish, and they're, what do you call it? They're what's the word? I don't know why my English has been so bad lately. They're not practical, but 2 wheels and 4 tires, and these are not no narrow boys either. These are real man wheels. You guys can see the forged stars, super dirty, but I'll clean them off. I was gonna get them powder coated and stuff now, but the only way that I'm going to do that is if they don't if the one of them is like doesn't hold air, then I'll just have to get it repaired. But if not, then just gonna send it and use them like this for now, and then maybe in a couple weeks I'll do it. But I just really want the new wheels on, so time to head out to the tire shop, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Kind of clean this wheel up, and you can see the powder coat got oxidized, but it's like a satinish gold kind of.
What's the oxide?
I think the rears are 25 and then the fronts are 22.
It's a problem. Right, it's a problem.
Alright.
It's a problem.
And these shits are all-wheel drive and they're light.
Bruh, I was in it the other day. I was in there. Bruh, that's just a monster.
See right there, it's bubbling up. So, gotta bring this one to a repair shop, get that one repaired, then mount the tire back on, and then I can run the rears. But for now, I'll just run the fronts. like what I'm going to have to do is, what do you call it? Put the car on a lift, because this is not going to do it. If anything, I may have to take the bumper off, which I really hope I don't have to do. But, yeah, because it comes with some hardware that's made for the kit. And with that, it threads right in. And then what I'm also going to do is just put like 3M tape in between the threads. Just, why not? Added security. But, yeah, it's going to have to go on a lift. Or I'm probably just going to see if somebody who knows how to do it can do it for like $100 or something. Because I got one quote and they're talking about, oh yeah, we got to charge shop time. It's going to be up to 4 hours. Like, yeah, the fuck right. I'm not paying, no, $100 times 4 for a lip install. That's absolutely insane. That's basically what I got this thing for. So it's just like, yeah, no. $100? I do that. But anything more than that, maybe 120. More than that, and gonna go crash this meet. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but we were there while it was happening earlier, and then we had to go grab one of my boys' cars. But if anybody's there, we're gonna see, you know, if anybody wants to go to Mexico and do some pulls. But yeah, let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna get much footage, but if I do, it'll be after this clip. If I don't, it won't. Oh shit. Yeah, I was trying to tell him to do another one. Sporadic rain, but I found this place on Google, and they do alloy wheel repair. So as long as I could get like 2 months or so out of this new weld, I should be fine. And I don't believe I'll have a problem with it, because I'm not gonna run stretch tires, and there's no added camber on the M3, so that should be good enough for at least a couple months, because these wheels are temporary, because they were really cheap. I forget how much I paid, like $600 or something like that. But yeah, I just want them for a while, because I just didn't want the stock wheels. But I'm probably going to, I'm waiting for most likely another set of T37s, but I'm going to have to get Porsche spec T37s for the rear. So what I'm going to do probably is wait like 2 months or so, grab a set of 19x12 T37 OGs or T37 SLs for a Porsche, get some adapters, and then run it, because I believe the offset is in like the 40s or 50s, and then with this the adapter is going to be like 15 or 20 millimeters, which will be good. And then I'll be all set to run a nice fat wheel and tire on the rear with a 305 or maybe even a 315 with a slight roll. So that should be good. Oh, well, not roll, a slight pull, because these fenders are already rolled. But yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when I go to pick up the wheel. And it's only $150, which isn't bad. So yeah, yeah, tomorrow, because there's nothing I can do today. Plus, it's about to rain. So catch you guys in the next clip.
Shit on fucking fire. Whoa.
All right, like the other people, they only did the weld like just on the inside, like right there. I'm like, why the fuck would anybody weld this shit like that? Alright, so for anybody who was on the channel back when I had the 350Z, these are the wheels that I sold to the guy that had the black one. Like, that's really crazy. That is crazy. Wow. Yep, so this is how it looks right now. I like the color, but I'm most likely gonna switch the tires to the to Michelin's because the sidewall of Hankook Ventus Evo 2s are a little smaller for a 35 than the Michelin Pilot Sport. So as long as it has a 35 profile, it'll look good. But it just, the, what do you call it, the Hankooks are just a little bit smaller. Like, same way how our 888s are even bigger than these. They'll be like a basic, like how a regular wheel will be like a 40. Our 888s are like a 30 or a 35. So yeah, but it looks good. I like it. It's gonna be good for now. And with the weld and stuff like that, as long as I'll be able to use this for like 3 months or so till I can get to T37s, we'll be good. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip, because that's about it. Probably not going to do anything, but if you guys see anything after this, then clearly I did something.